Chop the onion. Cut the sage into thin strips. Wash the tomatoes and roughly chop them. Put some olive oil in a large pan and sauté the onions on sage for 3 minutes until the onion is translucent over medium heat, and keep stirring. Add the tomatoes and put the lid on the pan. Let it simmer on low heat for 3 minutes. Then add the stock and bring to a boil and let it simmer for 20 minutes with the lid on the pan. Puree the tomatoes with an immersion blender and run it for 20 seconds or until the vegetables are finely ground. Pour the soup through a coarse sieve so that the tomato seeds remain in it. Add the sieved tomatoes and the sugar and season the soup to taste with salt and pepper. Heat the soup until it's almost boiling. Spoon 1 tablespoon of mascarpone into each bowl and ladle the soup into it too. Stir the mascarpone into the soup and serve immediately.